not to say to a gay person.
Here are some things that people say to LGBT folks that could cause body image issues. Lesbians are such a waste. In saying that a lesbian or a gay man is such a waste, you're basically saying that it doesn't matter what we want, all that matters is what you want.
You're saying that our bodies shouldn't be experiencing love and pleasure unless it's with someone of the opposite sex, and this can bring up a lot of shame and guilt.
Who's the man in your relationship?
In asking who's the man in a gay relationship, you are insinuating that one of them needs to be more masculine. But what if there are two gay femme guys dating?
The same goes for two lesbians. Why does there need to be a more masculine and a more feminine person? Why can't two butch girls date or two femme girls?
And in both cases, this statement can make people feel the need to be more dominant in their body presence, instead of being proud of who they are and what they like.
Why are all the hot guys gay? I think this is definitely meant to be a compliment, so let's not get too crazy, boys. But in saying that all the hot guys are gay, it might put a lot of pressure on the more cute or adorable type of guys to be that type of hot.
It's important to know that there are different kinds of hot and attractive, not just the kind that these straight women are talking about.
You're too pretty to be gay. This one is definitely also meant to be a compliment, and to a feminine girl like myself, it might be taken as such, but to a more masculine lesbian, I definitely think it's kind of an obvious put down.
Beauty comes in all forms, and we should celebrate it by being as femme or masculine as we like.
This is my straight guy impression. Ready? Oh, you're gay? Prove it. By saying this, you're basically asking me to use mine and another girl's body for your own personal show. It's not our job to prove anything to you.
And by acting as if you hold the authority, you can diminish a woman's self-esteem in knowing herself and her body.
It's not natural. There are definitely many ways to express love, and one of them is through sex. Part of having sex is using your body, and in using your body, knowing that it's an unnatural way to use it might lead us to believe that there is something wrong with us or with our bodies.
And by the way, being gay is natural. Everything's natural, otherwise it wouldn't have happened.
And one of my personal favorites, you're practically a girl, or you're practically a guy. I'm pretty certain that gay boys don't want to be girls, and just because they're flamboyant or a little bit feminine, or even a lot of flamboyant, doesn't mean that they act like a girl. What the hell does acting like a girl even mean? Now, I want all of the boyfriends and girlfriends right now to post a comment letting us know one thing that someone has said to you that affected your self-esteem or your body image. And of course, as always, this includes the straight girlfriends and boyfriends. Being a girlfriend or a boyfriend has nothing to do with sexual orientation. It has to do with gender, which is why I say girlfriends, boyfriends, and everyone else in between. We also did a video over on Ashley's channel, so make sure you go and check that out. Her link is also down below. I will see you guys back here in 2 days. Don't forget to look at the moon and know that every girlfriend and boyfriend in the entire world is looking at that same moon and you want their love. We should have like a theme song or something. I'll see you guys then. Bye.
Personality, you feel me?
I mean, I express my dominance by peeing on things that aren't mine. That's my cat. My cat does that, not me.